MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
MTD CNC have been invited to the Engineering Technology Group today. We're here to find out more about a developing partnership between Hardinge and ETG, which now sees the Engineering Technology Group as a super distributor around Europe for Hardinge products. We're going to talk with both John McTernan from Hardinge and also Martin Doyle from the Engineering Technology Group about what this is going to do not only for ETG and for Hardinge but for UK customers.
So a name that you've seen many times from Hardinge, we will resurrect that talent name for the new product. It is to be a mid-range multitasking CNC lathe, but it is a series of products. The Type A, 42mm or 51mm, obviously denotes the bar size through the spindle. The main configurations on the short bed with the 42 range gives you a basic
Martin, so it's been really good to be invited today. Super distributor, the Engineering Technology. What does that mean for you and for your customers?
Well, for the UK, it means it opens the door up to a lot more variations in the machines that we stock. So obviously supporting Hardinge on the European front, supporting the European distributors, everyone's looking for different specifications of the machines. So what works in the UK might not necessarily work elsewhere in Europe. So we'd have to, or we are looking at diversifying the type of machine that we bring in, which obviously has a benefit to the UK customer because they have more choice.
And what about for Hardinge, John? The Engineering Technology Group, how good is that for you guys?
Well, I think it's very much the same. We're blessed now with the opportunity of having the competence, capability, the experience of what was Hardinge in Bridgeport for all those years, now with inside ETG and a very capable professional organisation to be able to not just focus and keep the goodwill in the UK market, but to expand it into the European zone and to take that competence that we used to have and be able to have it in machines, application, value added, and be able to support the growth and development of our customers in Europe as well.
And today we've heard about some new products. Can you tell us any more about what's happening in the future?
Well, I think we've spoken a couple of times and it's gone on record that Hardinge has tried to change its structure. It's not because Hardinge is going away, it's because it's tried to revalue its focus and its priority. It's worked with ETG to take on the existing people and it's allowed us now to work on product development. So you'll now start seeing the benefits of this time and this focus with new complex lathes, with full MSY machines that we've wanted to bring to the market for a while and we haven't been able to. We're introducing those now over the next 6 months, followed by new 5-axis platforms. So that range of products will complement and really support the UK customers and the UK operations.
Sounds like exciting times for both of you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.
For the collet option, you will get the open and close foot switch as standard, exactly the same with a sub spindle. So again, maybe this.
So I'm with Magnus. He's had first-hand experience of the developing partnership between the two companies. So what dealings have you had with the Engineering Technology Group, Magnus?
We're dealing with Bridgeport and Hardinge machines, and so far in Sweden we have 3 showrooms with full with machines, but every time customer inquires a certain specification,
They always want something different.
yeah, and then we have the possibility to buy with quick delivery from ETG. So we started with Bridgeport VMC machines, and then we find this was a quick solution for customers. So we also have bought Hardinge lathe.
So you've essentially got 3 options now. You've got your own stock that you've got in Sweden.
Yeah.
You can go to the US to get order machines, or you can come to the Engineering Technology Group to see what they've got.
Yeah, you are correct. We can take from our stock, factory base, or ETG now. So it definitely is a good solution for us.
Brilliant. Thanks, Magnus.
Thank you very much.
The grid is still the same, it's 80 mil.
Stuart, you've recently joined the company. Exciting times for you?
Absolutely, yes.
What do you look? What made you come here? What was the driving factor?
Well, Paul, pretty much the same as you did, you know, when you branched out. You know, I'm not getting any younger, 55-year-old, I thought.
Really, that age?
Yeah, I know I don't look it, but I'm either stopping where I am, you know, or now's the time to make a move. So I wanted to do something different. I've got a lot to offer, I felt I had a lot to offer. Couldn't really take my position any further where I was. So I thought, what a great opportunity here at Engineering Technology Group.
And we're here primarily to talk about the link and the association between Hardinge and the Engineering Technology Group. Does that excite you?
Absolutely, and we're here today, obviously, with this new product launch. It really just cements to me what a forward-thinking company I'm actually working for now.
Because I have seen there's quite a few new products on the horizon, so you know that will take this business even further.
Absolutely, we've got a brand new 5-axis machine coming along. We've got a complete new range of turning machines from Hardinge. It really couldn't be a better time.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.